step, toe. Yes, buffalo step, toe. Buffalo transition. Change your foot. Other foot. Buffalo step, toe. Buffalo step, toe. Buffalo step, toe. Change your foot. Very good. Okay, both of us up. Ben and Maya. We're going to explore this together. Wonderful work. Wonderful. Okay, get your tapper's bodies ready. Have that foot turned out. Ready? What is our first step that we're going to do? On which foot? Good. Ben, show me which foot we're going to step on first.
This one.
Yes. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, and we're going to speed it up a little bit. So you try your best to get in there, okay, Ben? 5, 6. Here we go. Buffalo step.